Alrighty, we have a 2015 Silverado. I bought it when it had like 24,000 miles. It has 76,000 now, and I haven't changed the cabin air filter once. So I'm kind of balls deep right now in it. Okay, so this here, you know how your glove box is. It is held in with, there's 4 of them. These T15 screws. I put it on my impact driver. Just double checking it's T15. Yep, T15. I took those 2 out. Now, there's 2 more on the bottom, and you can also pop out this, centerpiece, or the door. And as you can see, there's 2 more screws in there, but I also have some bougie underglow, and that'll be a pain in my ass to do that. So not gonna do that. And as you see, I just popped off the cover, wherever that went. Where did I put that? Up here. Look at all that dirt that came out of there. So it goes in like this. I wasn't gonna record this, but here I am because it looks filthy in there. So it was popped in like that. I will go ahead and pull out the cabin air filter. Try to do this one-handed. Oh, it is dirty. Oh, I am the meme of never changing cabin air filters. Oh my God. Sheesh. Look at that. Let me get a thumbnail. That look good thumbnail, guys? Holy hell. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Way to go, Andrew, for doing proper maintenance on your vehicles. Dirty. Really dirty. All right. Yeah. All right, so got the new filter here. Go ahead and unbox that. No wonder my shit stunk so bad. Here's the new cabin air filter. I'm using this Fram True Air. There's the number. So, alrighty. The airflow, the old one, the airflow was going down. So we'll go ahead and throw this in here. Try to do this one-handed. Great videoing, guys, I know. You're welcome. All right, let's line that up. Really can't see shit in here, honestly, not gonna lie. All right, well, maybe this is the wrong one. I'm gonna get this in here, 2 hands, I'll be back. All right, I was being dumb, I was putting it in wrong. It looks like the foam pieces go, or I don't know if perpendicular is the right word, but they go in goes in styrofoam first. Look at that. Beautiful, amazing. And we're gonna, caterpillars were growing in the case. I'm gonna wipe that out. I will be back. Alrighty. I have, as you can see, there's the underglow. But I have the new filter in, cleaned it up a little bit, just cleaned off the case. It goes in these bottom slots. Bottom slots here. Kind of put it in like that a little bit. Line it up nicely. Is get it into place on top. It's secure. Now to take it off, let's go like that. Yeah. Beautiful, fresh filter. Let's go. And then there was also, you had to pull this, when you took this off, it was in these little tabs. So let's go ahead and put these back in, give it a little, and I'll get this lined up here. Is it recording? Can you see me? Okay. So we'll go ahead and get this lined up. feel like it should be popping in a little better. TBH. Maybe not. There we go, popped in finally. Alrighty. 52 screws in. I'm using an impact. I'm not going full retard with it. Oh. Just give it a little. Good to go. Now this had a cable on it, or a retractable cable, but we took it off when we tried to do this like a few weeks ago. Now I can't get it back on, but it's right there. It clips in somewhere on the side. Clips in. Oh, I might be able to get it. Oh, that wasn't bad. Nope. Clips in right here on the side. Don't know if that's right or not. I think that's okay enough. Then we'll push this in a little bit like that. Good to go. Put all your crap back in there, brother. Little notepads for note taking. Some Advils. There you go. Put all your other shit back in there. That is how it's done. All right, there you go. That's how it's done. Cabin air filter maintenance. I think it's, you know, probably every 20 some thousand miles, or maybe 30, I don't know. It's probably in your manual. It probably says in there. But there you go. That's how it's done, brothers. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.